Hey guys, we received this JND level 1 to 2 EV charger for test and try. So let's open the box. So this one is for the EV charging, and this have both the level 1 and the level 2 charging, means like a 120 watt or the 220 or 240 volt. And then this comes in a really this carry box or the bag, so it's easy to carry your charger anywhere you want. This is a portable charger, so that's a good thing that you can take it on a travel, while in the car. And the other good thing is that if you have a level 2 plug, you can use that, or it's have this adapter that you can use to convert from this level 2 to level 1. So this particular adapter is really helpful, and this is a NEMA 6 to 20 plug with a NEMA 5 to 15 adapter. So as you can see, so let me this open up, and this is a standard 25 feet charging cable, and this is the plug for that. So you can see this is a plug for the level 2 EV charging, and this is the main charger with the LCD screen. And the cable is also a thick cable, flexible, that you can move and then take it. So this charger actually have a NEMA 6 to 20 level 2 to 40 watt charger, and then there is an adapter. So this one is the protective covering for the charging adapter that will put into the car. This can also be used with Tesla after using the adapter. So that will be additional adapter not supplied in this, and this is open and closed thing. So let's take this charging and start charging my EV, and just to show. And as I mentioned, this is an adapter. So the adapter is a 5 to 15 level 1 120 watt, and then the main plug is the NEMA 6 to 20 level 2 to 40 watt. So I put it in my car, and you can see it fits really well, and the charging started here. So I also put in the adapter and start with the 110 volt, so I can show it easily and using the adapter as well. So the LCD screen is really good, and I can see it here. All the volt and everything is provided, how much charge is there, so all the information is provided in here. This is our standard J1772 EVs, and of course you can use it for Tesla after using an adapter, as I mentioned. So this is pretty handy and pretty portable, and the adapter itself. The other good thing is the long cable. I can charge my car even if it is parked behind a car. So pretty much a nice EV charging, and stable and reliable, and yeah, you can just take it anywhere. It's pretty much good for any EV car owner, and this is a waterproof as well. So just carry it with you.